Hi guys, welcome to SA Technical. In this video I am going to show you how to fix stop code unsupported processor in Windows. Unsupported processor basically occurs when your computer's processor is not compatible with the version of your operating system you are trying to run. This could be due to outdated hardware or attempting to install an OS that's too advanced for your CPU to handle. Also, the error message might look something like stop code 0x0000005D with a description that your processor does not support a required feature. However, don't worry, here are some proper fixes to fix unsupported processor in Windows 11. So, let's get started. First, let's identify the updates that might be causing the unsupported processor error. This could be recent Windows updates that introduce changes that your processor can't handle. To get started, you will need to access the Windows recovery environment. First, restart your computer. You will need to press a specific key like F8 or F11 during startup process to access this environment. If this method is not working, then you will need a Windows installation media and boot from that. Click on Next and click on Repair your computer. Now click on Troubleshoot and open the command prompt to uninstall the problematic updates. Let's identify the installed updates that are causing unsupported processor error. To do this, type wmic space QEFA space list space brief space /format : table and press enter. This command will generate a list of installed updates along with their information, including the KB numbers that uniquely identify each updates. The KB numbers are important as they help us pinpoint the problematic updates. Each KB number corresponds to specific update that has been installed on your system. Now that we have the KB numbers, we can move on to the next step of uninstalling these updates to resolve the unsupported processor error. To uninstall a specific update, first, you will need to navigate to this path. Replace the drive letter with your system drive letter, which is usually C. To uninstall a specific update, type the command WUSA space /uninstall space /KB : number and press enter. Replace the KB number with the actual KB number of the update you want to uninstall. This command triggers the Windows standalone installer to uninstall a specific update. Once you execute the command, the system will begin the uninstallation process of the specific update. You might be prompted to confirm the uninstallation, so follow the prompts accordingly. Don't worry, this process is safe and designed to remove only updates you specify. After uninstalling updates, make sure to restart your computer to apply the changes. After that, check once. Hopefully, your problem will be solved. In the Windows Recovery Environment menu, select Troubleshoot. In some versions of Windows 10 or Windows 11, you may find an option labeled Uninstall Updates or Uninstall Latest Quality Updates. You should see a list of recently installed updates. Select the update you want to uninstall by click on it. Follow any on-screen prompts to confirm the uninstallation of any selected updates. Once the update is uninstalled and any necessary restarts are completed, your computer should reboot into Windows and hopefully your problem will be solved. If not solved, then go to Windows Recovery Environment. Once you are in the Windows Recovery environment, locate the option to troubleshoot your system. Within Troubleshoot menu, you will find System Restore option. Select the System Restore option and process to the next step. You will be prompted to choose the restore point that predates the problematic update or changes. Review your System Restore point choice and confirm to initiate the System Restore process. The System Restore process will commence rolling back your system to the chosen restore point. Don't worry, your personal file will be untouched during this process. Once the system restoration is complete, your system will restart. After the restart, you will see if the unsupported processor error has been resolved. Outdated Windows component can trigger compatibility issues. Check for pending Windows update and install them. This update often includes fixes that might address compatibility problems. One common solution is updating your computer's BIOS. This is the firmware that controls your hardware. Go to your computer's or motherboard manufacturer website. Find the latest BIOS update compatible with your processor and follow the instructions carefully. If your processor is not supported by your current operating system, consider rolling back to a previous version that's compatible. On the flip side, if you are dead set on using the newer OS, you might need to upgrade your processor. So, I hope one of these methods was helpful for you. If you have any question or any advanced guide, then please let us know. Please like, comment and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.